Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this song tutorial video. In the first part, I'm going to count out the song's chords so you'll know exactly how long to play each one. In the second part, I'm going to play through the entire song so you can practice along with me. So stick around to the end, and if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, etc. Before we begin, you should click on that link at the top of the description and that'll take you to a chord chart containing all the chords and lyrics of the song you're about to practice. I recommend printing it out right now and grabbing a pencil so you can write in the number of beats per chord as I call them out to you. If you see a chord you don't recognize, then just click on link number 2 in the video's description and that'll take you to a list of chord tutorial videos. Finally, if you want to learn more songs once this video is over, click on link number 3 and that'll take you to a spreadsheet containing all of my chord charts and song tutorial videos. Now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Stand in Awe by Jon Thurlow. If you haven't already, you can click on link number 1 in this video's description to get the chord chart that you'll need to follow this tutorial. I'm going to demonstrate this song on guitar, but you can use any instrument that you choose because I'm going to focus on the timing of the chords rather than techniques for any particular instrument. And this is a simplified version. I've taken out some of the transitional chords just to make it a little bit easier, especially for beginners. There's only one chord progression and melody for the song. There's essentially 2 verses, or you could call them 2 choruses if you wanted, and then there's an interlude which uses the same chords and melody. So after I'm done counting this part, you'll have all the information you need to play the song. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3. Lord, I stand in awe of you, Jesus. Lord, I stand in awe of you, Jesus. Now, if that was too low for you to sing, then you can just use a capo and move it up, maybe a whole step or something like that. But you can use the same chord shapes that I was playing and just capo it higher as needed. All right, so that's the only chord pattern and melody for the entire song. And at this point, I'm going to practice through the entire thing so that you have a chance to play along with me. So if you think you're going to have trouble keeping up with my tempo, don't worry about it. Just go into the playback settings menu of this video and slow it down to something like 0.75x, which will make me sound really weird, but I don't really care. I just want you to be able to keep up. Okay, I'm going to count us in and then play through the verse chords. 1, 2, 3, C. And E minor. And C. And G. Now verse 1. Lord, I stand in awe of you, Jesus. Lord, I stand in awe of you, Jesus. Verse 2. There is none like you. There is none, Jesus. There is none like you. There is none, Jesus. Interlude, just the same chords. verse 1 and I'm going to octave jump. Lord, I stand in awe of you, Jesus. Lord, I stand in awe of you. And here, Jesus. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to click on link number 3 and check out my other chord charts and song tutorials. If you want to help me make more videos, you can support me on Patreon using the link below. God bless, and I look forward to seeing you next time.